son of a bitch, was that you or me?
I think it swiped at me.
One second, I was about to say, I just full on stopped, and I just hear that. Like, I alt-tabbed and I heard the... Nope, I missed.
I tried to hit him with the bow. Oh yeah, he's gonna kill me. This is where I die. Blit! Oh god, I'm alive!
Oh god! Get back over to me so when it swipes I might be able to kill it. I got 12 shots left. Did it run away? Because I did put a lot of rounds in it. And it's gone.
No, it's not. We just don't know where it is.
I don't see it. That's great.
Right in front of us.
There it is. Got it. Just stay right next to me when he tries to swoop. That way he'll get us both. Take a shot, Come on. Kill it with a bow. That would be awesome. Just so you know, you can only hold it back for so long. I throw a rock.
He's teasing!
I know, it's starting to tick me off. I mean, we're not moving. Is he just blind or something? Missed.
I know I missed.
Come on, don't be... You can hit him. Holy crap.
I'm not gonna be able to hit him. Stop wasting ammo.
I'm just gonna walk away for now.
Yeah, let's just keep walking up the hill and watching him.
Oh, I'm not gonna watch him. I'm gonna let you watch him. Hey, what's that other sound I'm hearing? It's not a dinosaur I'm used to.
He's swiping.
Are you sure?
Acting like he's about to. Stop moving. Oh, God. There it is, there it is, there it is! You failed me again! I don't think I'll survive this drop. No, he's making sure of it this time. Splat! Oh my god, I'm alive again! How is this possible?
I don't know. Kill yourself though, because I'm pretty sure you're almost dead.
Yep, unfortunately, item slot's empty, I guess. I'm running towards you. Hold on, I need you to cover me. Stop! Look, he's right there. I need you to cover me so I can heal.
Go prone.
Alright, healing. Oh man. Alright, Dickbird is pretty accurate description for these things.
Take your shot. Keep shooting arrows at him. You might actually kill him.
I wonder if I've even hit him.
I don't know. You only fired once, right?
Twice. But he was swooping, so
Twice.
I thought I got him.
Maybe. Wait. Something more important than worrying about the Dickbird. Rock.
Dude,
oh
I have no idea.
Hurry up and kill me! I'll throw a rock at him in a second. Wait. Be a real man. Kill him with a machete when he comes at you.
I don't even think that's possible in this game.
You could try.
Oh. That works.
I just shoot him in the face with a shotgun. It's a lot easier when they're attacking me, though.
Dude, we're gonna end up walking up on a T-Rex because we're so worried about him.
I'm not even paying attention to him at this point. I mean, I'm keeping my gun out, if that counts. I'm swapping to my rifle every so or to my map every so often.
I thought they were supposed to lose interest.
No, he's too busy.
Swooping! Bullshit! Son of a bitch!
I hit him again.
Oh man, I'm watching it on the stream. Over the trees. Yeah, dead. Oh my god, I'm not dying from this guy anymore.
Did you even take damage?
Oh yeah, I almost died.
You might be catching like a, what's it called, like a piece of a mountain where you're sliding or something.
I don't know, but shooting this guy with a bow just isn't cutting it. Okay, you've picked me up 3 times. I think that means time to let it go.
That's what he's doing. He picks you up and lets you go.
It looks like he might have lost interest. Nope.